Forklift Safety and Regulations. Hello folks, welcome to today's lesson on forklift safety and regulations. Safety first. This lesson focuses on the essential aspects of forklift safety and regulations. We will explore OSHA regulations, hazard recognition, risk management, and personal protective equipment (PPE) to ensure you operate forklifts safely. Understanding these guidelines will help in maintaining a safe workplace. OSHA Regulations and Guidelines for Forklift Operations. The Occupational Safety and Health Administration (OSHA) sets forth specific regulations to promote safe forklift operations. These guidelines aim to minimize accidents and injuries in the workplace. Operator certification. Before operating a forklift, employees must undergo training and certification. OSHA requires formal instruction, practical training, and evaluation of operator performance at the workplace. Training programs should cover truck-related topics, workplace-related topics, and the requirements of the OSHA standard. Equipment maintenance. Regular maintenance is crucial for forklift safety. Inspections should be conducted before each use, checking brakes, steering, controls, warning devices, and tires. Any issues found during inspection should be addressed immediately to prevent accidents. Workplace environment. Operators must be aware of their environment, including the layout of the workplace. Clear paths and marked aisles help prevent accidents caused by obstacles or other obstructions. Employers should ensure proper signage and lighting in areas where forklifts operate. Load handling. OSHA guidelines emphasize proper load handling techniques. Operators should ensure loads are balanced and secure, keeping the load low while traveling. It's important not to exceed the forklift's load capacity to maintain stability. Hazard recognition and risk management. Recognizing common hazards and managing risks is vital for safe forklift operation. Awareness and proactive measures can greatly reduce the likelihood of accidents.
Forklift common hazards. Pedestrian traffic. Forklifts often share space with pedestrians, increasing risk. Always be aware of people nearby and ensure they are visible to you. Overloading. Carrying loads heavier than the forklift's capacity can lead to tipping over. Load limits must always be observed. Turning and stability. Turning too quickly or with an elevated load can cause instability. Slow down before turning, especially with high loads. Ramps and elevations. Moving up or down inclines requires caution. Always drive straight on ramps and avoid turning. Risk management strategies. Pre-operation inspection. Conduct thorough checks before using the forklift. Identify any defects or potential hazards. Implement safe practices. Develop and reinforce safe operation protocols. Ensure all employees follow safety rules and procedures. Continuous monitoring. Supervisors and managers should consistently monitor forklift operations for compliance with safety guidelines. Training and education. Regular refreshers and updates on safety practices help keep everyone informed and prepared. Personal protective equipment and safety gear. Wearing appropriate PPE is crucial in protecting forklift operators from potential hazards. Essential PPE. Hard hats. Protect against falling objects. High visibility clothing ensures operators are seen by others in the workplace. Gloves. Provides better grip and reduces hand injuries. Steel-toed boots. Protect feet from heavy objects and provide better footing. Hearing protection. Necessary in noisy environments to prevent hearing loss. Face masks or respirators. Protect against inhaling harmful substances. Useful in environments with dust or chemicals. Conclusion. In this lesson, we have covered the critical components of forklift safety and regulations. By understanding and adhering to OSHA regulations, recognizing hazards, managing risks, and using the appropriate PPE, operators can significantly reduce the risk of accidents and injuries. Remember, safety is everyone's responsibility. Stay alert, stay informed, and stay safe. For further clarity, please consider watching this video demonstration of safe forklift operations, which will offer visual guidance on the best practices discussed here. Summary. Here's a detailed summary of forklift safety and regulations. Forklift Safety 1. Operator training. Ensure operators are properly trained and certified to operate forklifts. 2. Pre-operational checks. Conduct daily inspections of forklifts before use. 3. Safe operating practices. Operate forklifts safely, following guidelines for speed, load handling, and navigation. 4. Load handling and stacking. Handle and stack loads safely, considering factors like load weight, size, and balance. 5. Personal protective equipment PPE, where required PPE, such as hard hats, safety glasses, and steel-toed shoes.
Forklift Regulations 1. OSHA Regulations comply with Occupational Safety and Health Administration OSHA Regulations, including 29 CFR 1910.178. 2. ANSI ITSDF Standards follow American National Standards Institute ANSI and Industrial Truck Standards Development Foundation ITSDF standards for forklift design, testing, and operation. 3. Local and state regulations comply with local and state regulations, including those related to licensing, training, and equipment maintenance. 4. Regular inspections and maintenance. Perform regular inspections and maintenance on forklifts to ensure they are in good working condition. 5. Accident reporting and investigation. Report and investigate all forklift-related accidents and incidents to identify root causes and implement corrective actions. Enforcement and penalties. 1. OSHA enforcement. OSHA conducts regular inspections to ensure compliance with regulations. 2. Fines and penalties. Non-compliance can result in fines, penalties, and even imprisonment. 3. Civil liability. Employers may be held civilly liable for accidents or injuries caused by non-compliance. By following these guidelines and regulations, employers and operators can ensure a safe and healthy work environment, reduce the risk of accidents and injuries, and avoid costly fines and penalties. By mastering these fundamentals, forklift safety and regulations, forklift operators can ensure safe and efficient operations. This is how we come to the end of this lesson. Thank you for participating in this lesson on forklift safety and regulations. Safe and productive operations await you. See you again in the next lecture. Happy learning, folks.